happy Sunday. Actually it's not morning, it's almost evening. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, I just got off of work. Early morning shift, we love. Not really, but we tolerate because we get a nice afternoon off. And I love the residents, so that helps. Right now, I need to clean up the loft and do homework and stuff and sit down and respond to comments on Instagram. So that's literally what I'm going to be doing the rest of today. So there's nothing exciting, so I'm not going to film all of it. But yeah, just know that that's what I'm doing today. Oh, also I wanted to show you something before I head off for the day. Is my new favorite drink. Well, it's not new because I've known about it for the whole summer. But my favorite drink right now, because I'm too lazy to make my own coffee, is this Kirkland cold brew coffee. So Kirkland, you get it at Costco. But yeah, I've been just drinking this cold brew and living my best life. So yeah, we're gonna respond to comments now for a bit. Oh, you cute. Aren't you a little cutie? Okie doke, so I'm about to finish work right now, and I just want to hop on because I got a drink at Starbucks, and I don't know if I've probably shared this on my channel before, but in case you've forgotten, this is my absolute favorite summertime drink, and it is so warm out right now. So I got my summer drink, not my fall drink, which I will show you in a weekly vlog when it comes up. But it is a venti iced coffee with milk and caramel syrup, and it is so good. It kind of tastes like an iced caramel macchiato, but less sugary, less milky. And it's so good. But yeah. Just at work, this is all of our stuff that we purchased for some house decorating today. It was really fun. And we went to a bunch of different stores looking for stuff we needed. So, shopping day. Okie dokes, we've made it to White Rock for dinner. Just for sunset, and we're gonna have sushi, and it's gonna be delicious. Sushi's here with the view of the sunset.
I should ask for 4. I'm a fake.
Okay. Be free.
It had a rice in it.
Yeah. I have this dog that constantly does this in the mornings to wake me up. 7:30. Good morning and happy Tuesday. I hope that you enjoyed watching seeing how my dog wakes me up if I lay in my bed anytime past 7:30 in the morning. But that's that. I took out my braids too this morning, so your girl's no longer wearing braids, and it looks kind of gross, so I stuck it up for today until I go to work later today. Also, I just wanted to show you something. That's why I came on here this morning. I found out for the month of October, you can change your Instagram icon. Look at, like, is it gonna focus? Okay, I need to put it up here. Okay, we're up here. What am I doing? I have to tap this. Look at this, and it's not through shortcuts. Like it literally just takes me to Instagram. And so what you do is you go into your settings. So if you don't have this by now, this is a week later. I know. I'm sorry. You don't get to enjoy this as long. You go into settings, and then you go up like this, and then you can change it to all of these different icons. Isn't that just like so cool? I thought it was so cool. So, you know, there you go. If you haven't got it yet, there's your little secret for you. But yeah, I'm going to be cleaning today because I've been putting off cleaning for the whole weekend and week, and I need to water my plants, and then I'm doing homework until I go to work. So, you know, if I do anything interesting, I'll definitely take you along, but otherwise, that's what I'm doing today. So I just got ready because I want to film one of my videos for fashion school that I did. I haven't vlogged a lot of me doing fashion school, but it's been a blast. So I wanted to do a Q&A on, like, some of you guys asked some questions, so I'm gonna answer those or a separate little Q&A video, and so I just did my makeup really lightly because I work later and I have to wear masks, so I didn't want to put a full face of makeup on, but I still wanted to look cute for the video, so I'm just going to change and write down all the questions and some answers for them, and yeah, that's the plan. Hello friends, sorry, my wheel is kind of in the way of my face, but I'm in a bit of a hurry. Where did I just put my keys? Oh my goodness, I forgot my keys upstairs, so we'll bring you with me to get my car keys, because you know, that's kind of important. But today, I just had breakfast, and now I'm off to go to a physio appointment that I've literally had to reschedule way too many times. Rick, where are my keys? I can't find my keys. Oh no! I'm gonna be so late! Well, we're gonna find these bad boys. But yeah, that's the plan for this morning. And I was gonna be all nice, but now we're rushed. Okay. I'm pretty much in the exact same spot because I'm back from physio and I'm going out again because I'm going away to Vancouver Island this weekend, and I really want to get a, what's it called? I really want to get a sweater vest because I think that would be a really cute little, island life look. I don't know. I just want a sweater vest, and I feel like going to the island is an excuse to get one. So that's the plan right now. And then I have to go to work. So happy Wednesday. Okay, doke. So I'm off to work in a bit. I have to change first, but this is the sweater vest that I got. They only had one sweater vest left that I saw in the whole store. And it was a size medium of this one, which it's a bit bigger than what I wanted, but it's still a really cute look. And I cannot wait to wear it in Coquitlam, Tofino area. So yeah, see you guys after work because I have to edit my vlog for this week. I haven't even started. Today is Thursday. Sorry, I look like a bit of a mess, but today's agenda, I just finished some homework for the day. I have a class later today. I also have to clean my whole apartment and pack because my family is leaving to go to Coquitlam. I don't know if I've said that yet, but we're going to Coquitlam for the weekend. Sorry, I just noticed something weird. But I have not started packing yet. And I want to have a clean place when I get back as well, because that is always my favorite thing to have, is just when I get home from anywhere, any trip that I'm on, to have a clean room, clean area, freshly cleaned sheets and all of that. So I've got to do that today because we're leaving early tomorrow. But yeah, that's the plan for today. I might work out a bit. I'm also going to work later on today after my class, so it's a full day. And bring you along. Cleaning is going well, but I needed to take a break, and I just had this idea while I was cleaning. So I have all these products that I leave in my shower all the time, and I absolutely hate orange and all the colors that are in it, and just like how it's not very cohesive. And then I remembered I have this roll of, I don't even know what it is. What is it? Does it have an, does it say what it's saying? But it's like something you apply to your countertops to give it a different look, that I got at Walmart years ago because I used to use it for flat lights and stuff, but I no longer use it. And so I was like, what if I wrap all of my containers in this little wrap that's like waterproof and everything, and then just label them, because that'd be so cute. So that's what I'm gonna do right now for my cleaning break. So this is not turning out the way I expected. I mean, they're rounded, so it's kind of hard, or like weird shaped. So I think we're gonna scrap that idea, but it was a good thought, you know? We really tried. And I'm gonna take them all off now. This is how far we've come in packing. So I've got a few outfits together, but not complete, as well as pajamas, jacket, and a hat, and my French textbook because I have to do homework while I'm there. Raincoat over here because it's supposed to rain all weekend, but isn't it so PFG? And then my favorite travel case from Shop Social Butterfly with all my makeup in it. Okie dokies, don't mind the fact that I look like an absolute Oompa Loompa right now. But I'm just fake tanning before we go away so that I don't look like a ghost. Like, I'm not trying to be like that trend going around TikTok right now, but like in person, you know? I just want a bit of color. But today is Blogger Mail Day. And I mean, Blogger Mail, I have 2 packages. But 2 packages I am grateful for, and it's better than none. So we're gonna open them on camera. And by open, I mean I opened one already, and then I opened both already. Sorry, you're not gonna see my first reaction, but you'll see my, like, what I got, you know. So the first one I was just so excited for. I was in contact with this company, and they're a local company that has bathing suits, and I was so excited when she reached out to me because I actually have one bathing suit of my own from her that I bought with my own money. And so yeah, I'm just really excited to support this local business again. And she gifted me a bathing suit, which is their super cute. It's so the bathing suit company is Shop Bellini Bikini. I will link it down below. And so she gifted me their one piece called the Frankie one piece, and I'm so excited to style this. I'm gonna try and do like some fall outfits with it. Like, you don't know it's a bathing suit, but it actually is, kind of thing. And so then she gave me this little note, which I actually haven't opened the note yet. Aw, I actually used to dance with her, which is like really fun too. Like, just a little side note. Yeah. And then the second package I got is skincare, and I'm not gonna show you my address, but this is what the inside of the box looks like. And so what do we have in here? It's a bunch of Monet products, and I don't know if you heard about them, like the multi-level marketing company. But they sent over a few things just for me to try, so I'm gonna try them and see how they work. You know, I'm apparently into skincare. I never considered myself like a skincare person, but I do like have a lot of skincare products. I don't know. So I got a foamy cleanser in this box. I got this 30-second Miracle Insta Eye Perfector, and what else? This C Radiant Illuminating Serum. Oh, C Radiant Illuminating Serum. Yeah, that's that. What else do we have? We have this big box, which is Berry Refined Scrub Exfoliating Mask. And what's this one? This one's the Be Balanced Lightweight Moisturizer. So we'll try those products, and I'll tell you how they work, how I like them, probably on Instagram. But you know, be sure to check there for all of the content that I'll be posting with this stuff and whatnot. It'll definitely be linked below. It'll probably be the first link because that is where the majority of you guys live. So, you know, that's my blogger mail. And now I'm going to finish packing because the last clip that I showed you is how packed I am right now, and I'm gonna do homework and finish cleaning. Like, I have a full night ahead of me. Oh, and I have to wash off this tan. Cheers. It is currently about 7:30 in the morning on Friday, and I'm just getting ready to go to the island for the weekend. I just brushed out my curls and got dressed. I don't think I'm gonna do any makeup today just because it's a travel day, and travel days we don't like to wear makeup. But I have to put away my clothes quickly that I left to dry from laundry last night. And yeah, that's pretty much it. and I get to go. Woo! I'm so excited. I've never been up to Coquitlam before, but this is my outfit for traveling. I'm wearing my favorite oversized Led Zeppelin tee, and then these beige cream colored pants that I have from American Eagle, my Docs, and then I also have a leather jacket to wear with it if it's cold, and if it's not cold I have a bucket hat, so we've got options. Okie dokes. We've made it onto the ferry. Reggie's watching Gravity Falls. And we're on our way to the island. So yeah, it's raining outside. But we'll stay in here for now. So we have made it to our place, and so we'll do a little quick tour. So this is the front entrance right here, and then this is the bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bathroom in here, and then kitchen, dining room, and living room. And then we have a really nice view and a balcony out here, which I'm not going out on the balcony right now because it's so rainy. We just finished eating at that on the houseboat there. It's called the Float House, and they had some pretty good food, but I didn't vlog any of it. And now we're going back to our place to watch movies and chill for the night. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, and it is about 10:15 this morning, and we just all got ready, and we are going to go to Tofino today. We're going to Tofino, which is what I've dreamed of and like what I've wanted to do if I ever came over here, because I love Tofino in Vancouver. So have to go to the original out here and just walk around Tofino today. So yeah, that's the plan. It's such a nice sunny but like rainy day. Kind of confusing, but I love the view. It's so pretty here. To one of the beaches, and there's all the surfers over there.
You want your umbrella? No, do you want your umbrella? Huh?
Sound of the rainstorm. Well, that is all for this week's vlog. I hope that you enjoyed, and with the rainstorm in the background, and see you next time. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be finishing the rest of my Tofino Coquitlam vlog in the next weekly vlog. So be sure to check out for that when it comes out, probably next Thursday.